morning, everybody. So we're gonna be getting ready today, and it's gonna be a talk through. So yeah, sorry, I have like all my products here in the front, laying down. To start, I already applied the bedescue lip balm because my lips are kind of dry. Go with this Renew Hope in a jar by the Philosophy brand. I love this stuff. Moisturize my whole face. Even though it's hot outside, it's been dry.
Like dry.
Next thing that we'll be taking is the Clinique moisturizing. Okay, so I just let that sit and soak up for a little bit, and I also apply it here and underneath my brow bone.
Hi, look. Oh my god.
So now that everything is already soaked up into my skin, I'm going to be going with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer Smoothing Primer, kind of like for the pores, any fine lines that we might have, anything like that. I just grab that much and I press it in where I feel like I do have my larger pores, and here. I really don't swipe it like that because I feel like you're putting on product and then taking it off, putting it on, taking it off. So I just like to tap it in. Taking the Kat Von D Locket foundation, my beauty blender, put it out. Now for my under eyes, I'm going to be taking the First Aid Beauty, and this is the Eye Duty Triple Remedy, and it just instantly brightens. 100% recommend this one. I love it. So it looks like that. So one side is to because the product, and the other side is just smooth and it's cold. The beginning of my tear duct, because if you put a lot,
Like,
you look like a crazy raccoon. I'm telling you, because that happened to me. So this is kind of like sort of like if you have the
oh my god, what's it called?
the one from Becca, the brightening one. That's the same kind of thing, but this is from First Aid Beauty, and of course kind of like treats it. So there you go. Instantly just took off some of my dark circles. I'll be taking the Shape Tape concealers, my favorite, you already know, and I'm gonna be taking light, medium, and fair, light, neutral. I just like to combine them because honey, we gotta make this work. It's the fair light, nose here, down here, and down here. Take our beauty blender, just blend it. That's how you do it, girl. Next thing I'm taking is the Makeup Forever HD foundation, R530, just to bronze up a little bit here. Blending out the MAC fiber brush. And I like to start with all my creams because I do use a setting powder. So you want to look all snatched first. I'm going to take the same beauty blender and I'm going to be using the excess foundation that I used to blend out the one for my cheeks and my forehead. Then we're gonna set it with a powder. Once it's set, girl, it's not going anywhere.
ain't going nowhere.
In my under eye, I am gonna go reblend it. Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Butter. This just like literally blurred everything. I love it. Girl.
You need this in your life.
Going with a brow contour prep. Taking the lighter shade, this one. Now I'm going to be taking the Benefit Gimme Brown, the number 6. For my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to be taking like everywhere. Kind of dabbing and then just blending here. And dabbing and blend. And that same shade, I'm going to be bringing it here in the bottom. It looks like a charcoal kind of gray or brown, I don't know. The eyeliner from Loreal. We're taking a flat brush. Smoothing here underneath my lash line. A copper shade. The L'Oreal liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be taking the KK Beauty number Nude 1 lip liner pencil. Top it off, I'm going to be using the MAC lip glass in the color Myth. To set my makeup, decay all-nighter, my favorite. And then before it dries, I'm going to be going with the MAC Mirror Light. And I usually just use my finger because
I don't know. I feel like everything is good with finger.
I'm right here. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Just very subtle, very simple, something hokey, like just soft. Everybody loves nudes. Who cannot go wrong with a nude, right? But nudes.
Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye.